tongue is spraying slime across my windshield! The canyon already smells your fear! I'm not crashing into that river! Then survive the road beneath you! Get off my roof lights! Why is my tongue dripping all over the desert?
Because this canyon already knows your fear. Yo!
Then outrun the storm, little shark! Get off my roof! Why is my tongue dripping all over this road? Because this dead city already smells your fear. Then drive faster before the road throws you away. Get off my tow rig right now! Why is my tongue dripping all over this harbor?
Because the Black Bay already smells your fear.
I'm not sinking into that whirlpool. Then outrun the broken docks, little truck. Get off my roof cannon now! This tongue is flooding my bumper with slime! Already smells your fear. I'm not becoming fertilizer today. Then survive the river road. Get off my container! This tongue is spraying slime through the oasis! The desert wind already knows your scent. I'm not crashing in this canyon. Then survive the collapsing bridge. Get off my roof! Why is my tongue dripping slime all over this valley?
All over this valley! Because the glowing forest already tasted
I'm not crashing, crater! Then survive the last turn, little rocket! Get off my roof missiles now! This slime is covering my bumper! Get off my roof! Run faster, little dancer! This tongue is spraying slime into my eyes! The glowing river has already tasted your fear. You're not catching me in this canyon! Then survive the road beneath your wheels! Get out of my truck bed! This tongue is throwing slime across my windshield! You're not catching these giant—
The Amber Valley already smells your fear.
Get out of my truck bed! Then survive the collapsing road! tongue is spraying slime across my cannon!
The ancient valley has already tasted your fear.
You'll never catch these giant wheels! Get out of my truck bed!